cameras. If you have it, go ahead. Raise them. Hit record. Don't forget to hit record. They're gonna be coming from here. So you know where to look. For those at the second, third, fourth, and fifth floors, get ready. SM Mega Mall, are you ready to share good vibes sa ex-housemates ni Kuya? Parang ang hina. One more time, SM Mega Mall, handa na ba kayo for our special guest? Once again, welcome to Share a Coke, Share Con. Let's all welcome Michael Sager and Shubi Estrada. You guys have fans here.
Teka! Familiar kayo ah! Kayo kanina, di ba? Hello, Pangkatsumi! Hello din sa mga bati mga. Hello, SM Mega Mall!
What's up, SM Mega Mall? Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ready na ba kayo uminom ng Coke? Isa pa nga! Kulang ng energy shoes.
Hindi ba kasi
Oo,
nakay mo?
kasi dapat, dating natin sa stage, energy. Isa pa, ready na ba kayo uminom ng Coke?